Well, good Tuesday evening to you. I'm meteorologist Chris Sullivan, and I'm going to give you an update on the severe weather we have currently going across portions of Missouri, central Missouri, as well as northwestern Arkansas, and extending all the way back into portions of eastern Oklahoma. Right now, we have a very intense line of strong to severe thunderstorms, like I said, extending from east central Missouri back into Arkansas and portions of Oklahoma. And that's prompted the National Weather Service to issue various watches and warnings across the area. And just to give you a breakdown on on the watches we have across the area, this green shade color that extends from here in southern Missouri all the way back to the St. Louis area is a flood watch that runs until Thursday morning around 7 a.m. That's because with this fast line moving of storms, it's dropping a lot of rain in a very short amount of time. It's leading to some area flooding on some of those roadways. And again tomorrow, the same area will be back under the risk for some more thunderstorms and even some severe weather. So the flooding may continue heading into us, like I said, until 7 a.m. Thursday morning. Well, also within this watch, we have a severe thunderstorm watch. It has been trimmed down just a little bit, but it still includes most areas here in central Missouri as well as northwestern Arkansas, and extending all the way back into portions of eastern Oklahoma. And this watch is valid until 10 o'clock this evening for the threat of some large hail, some damaging wind gusts, as well as frequent lightning and some very heavy rain, as this whole line is continuing to push off to the east at a very fast pace, around 45 to 50 miles an hour at times. So these storms are moving very quick, and they will be barreling through your area very, very soon. Currently, we have a severe thunderstorm warning that just expired at 8 o'clock, but it was valid for Douglas, Ozark, and Taney counties here in southwestern Missouri. That's right here. From Brown Branch to Bull Shores Lake, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Look out for the risk of some hail to the size of $half or larger. We did have a tornado warning here across portions of northern Arkansas that expired around 7:30 this evening. Doppler radar indicated some rotation within that thunderstorm, but it has slightly weakened, but it still has prompted not a tornado warning anymore for Boone and Marion counties, but it is prompted a severe thunderstorm warning at the time for some hail up to the size of ping pong balls or larger and damaging winds to 60 miles an hour. So very nasty storm moving through those areas right now. Get to the lowest level of your home, preferably a basement if possible, and stay away from outside windows and pull those vehicles into a place of safety as well. These thunderstorms continue all the way, like I said, back into portions of eastern Oklahoma right now, and this whole line is quickly pushing off to the southeast at around 50 miles an hour or so. And if this whole line continues to evolve and hold together, although there are a few breaks in it, but if these storms kind of maintain their strength and speed, they will be in these areas at these according times. From Fort Smith around 8:57 p.m. this evening, Russellville around 9:34, and maybe in the Little Rock metro area around midnight or shortly after. So like I said, some severe weather will be ongoing across portions of Arkansas and Missouri throughout the remainder of the evening. Make sure you have your weather radios on hand, as well as text messages or any way to receive these watches and warnings as these storms quickly move through your area. And then the severe weather risk is not over today. It's going to continue into the overnight hours across portions of the Mississippi River Valley. But tomorrow, with the heating of the day, the energy in the atmosphere, we are going to see the risk for more severe thunderstorms. And this risk will extend further back to the west and southwest tomorrow, including areas from Oklahoma City all the way back down to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and as far west as portions of northwest Texas around Wichita Falls or so. Again, the threats will be very large hail, very strong wind gusts, and some dangerous lightning, and maybe even a possibility of an isolated remote chance of a tornado or two tomorrow afternoon. But as always, keep it here for the updated weather information. I'm going to send you back over, and your News at 5 starts right now. I like that one a lot.